like 1 week ka gap. I've been uploading constantly, so it became kind of like blockage in my head. So I just needed some kind of a break for some days. But that turned into week, and I was just procrastinating videos like making videos and stuff. But anyways, today I'm going to make a haul on a Requel brand. So I'm really glad that you liked my previous videos, which were kind of not that requesting, but I made sure that I have content which are quite kind of different, which I have not showcased yet. So I was doing like vlogs, some kind of like recipe videos, and that really I am glad that you definitely liked it. If you have any kind of suggestions and any kind of comments, like you want different kind of outcomes from my channel or from my side, let me know. I will make myself work for it. So as I said, I'm going to today do a haul on Requel product. I have not used them yet. Just kind of got the parcel, and I just thought of sharing with you how I got it, what all the philosophy about the brand. But before starting off, make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell icon. You can follow me on my Instagram, which will be linked in the description. And if you have any kind of suggestions, any kind of ideas for my channel, for my videos that you feel that will be very approachable for me to make, definitely just leave your suggestions. You can also DM me on my Instagram to let me know. And yeah, let's get started with today's video. Talk about the brand Requel or Requel. It's a brand based on like scientific research, dermatologically tested, and really scientifically proven ingredients that works on your skin. Now, as we know, आजकल market में बहुत ज़्यादा products है that just claims to do a lot of things, but it doesn't, because we also have to know and consider one thing, that our skin is also the largest like organ in our body, and whatever we do for it is going to give us back, right? So whenever you purchase any kind of product for your health or your skin, your hair, you should know that it has come some kind of ingredient that is really important for your day to. Obviously, this is not a sponsored video, guys. Anyway, so I mostly purchase any kind of skincare products that has ingredients and the way they have marketed, the way they approach their brand. For me, a brand philosophy, its morals and its ethics are very important. I just don't buy products just like that. I definitely like have to research about the brand also, how much of research they put on into their products, and how they formulate their products, what kind of ingredients they have, and that is how I purchase my skincare. So after a lot of research, and there were also some kind of sale going in this brand, so I just thought of giving it a shot, because in the sale you get like large amount of products in like small amount of money, right? So that's the reason I purchased some of the products in a very good deal, and I hope that that will really help me in future to make a proper review towards you guys, and that will help you as well. As its first impression and also a haul, I don't know how much the product works. So I have this box which I got delivered, and there are altogether 4 products. So I purchased 2 and I got 2 free with it. And also there was like 20% off, which I will let the code I will link in the description, so you can use if it's there working. I don't know. So I just got this ad. मुझे Facebook में advertisement में मिला था that it's going some that Requel is having some kind of sale, so I purchased it because ये brand में ज़्यादा sales होते नहीं हैं. So the main product that I wanted to purchase is this Skin Radiant cream for all skin types. So it's like a cream which has anti-pigmentation properties. So mostly I had like severe acne in like before, like 4 years before. I was getting like obviously hormones and teenage time, so I had like lots of acne, and my acne, like touch wood, has gone acne nowadays, but still I have some kind of pigmentation going. I do have some kind of marks of my previous acne. So that's the reason I wanted a product which has anti-pigmentation properties, and like most of the brands, like the actual expensive brands, they're anti-pigmentation cream jo hote hain, they're kind of expensive though, so I didn't want to purchase them. But Requel was having those sale, that's the reason I got it, and I have heard a lot good things about it. So it's this Skin Radiant cream, all skin types. It's non-comedogenic, so it's basically for reducing dark spot, acne spots, increases skin radiance, and it evens skin tone. So I am absolutely really happy about the fact that they have not mentioned any kind of fairness or fairness properties. Like even skin tone में बहुत ज़्यादा लोग difference करते brightness and lightening में, so they don't have this claim of lightening. So I'm really happy for that. So I'll just show you. So the product actually retails for 490 rupees. I got it for MRP में only. It's like 30 gram of product, which is not that much, but it's a ingredient based brand, so you're going to get that much only quantity. This is the size of the product, so you have to use this morning and evening. So let's see how it works, and I will actually test this product for at least 2 weeks, and then I will make a proper whole review dedicated video for all the products which I'm going to show you today. So you have to wait for that for at least 2 weeks. So this is just the first impression. So this is the first product. The second product I got is the Requell Pore Refining Face Toner. So it's for oily acne prone skin, that is mine. It's also non-comedogenic, so it's alcohol free. It has 9 botanic extract for reducing pores. So I have kind of quite a bit of pores that are actually visible. So again, this product has a lot of fragrance. It literally feels like a liquid perfume. It has absolutely amazing actually ingredients which I went through. It has witch hazel, it has aloe vera juice, it has glycerin, but still the fragrance is last in the ingredient list. But बहुत ही ज़्यादा मुझे ये मतलब एकदम दिमाग में चढ़ जाता है इसका fragrance. I will definitely suggest the brand to remove fragrance, and I think I've also watched some some skin specialists and esthetician making reviews on this brand, and they have talked about ingredients बहुत ही अच्छा है, but fragrance is fucking whole mood of the brand. So I hope that Requell just gets their fragrance out. I think that will really work absolutely insane. So the product is retails for 350 and it's 100 ml, which is again good, not fair, not that expensive. But let's see how it works. And as I said, fragrance में मुझे irritated हो रहा है. I've used this for 2 days, and let's see how it works. Okay. And now 2 things that I got free is I got a face wash that is oil control face wash. It has zinc, PCA, and it is sulfate free. So it's also soap and sulfate free. So I got this free. So this was actually, this retails for 150, but they had this sale that if you purchase something around 390 or 340, you will get 2 products free. So I got this product free, that is the face wash. And the second thing I got is oil free moisturizer, lightweight and fast absorbing. So why not? अगर आप 2 या 3 चीज परचेस कर रहे हो और आपको बहुत सारा अदर चीज फ्री मिल रहे हो, तो why will you not purchase, right? Again, this is also really good moisturizer. I've heard really good things about this. It's oil free and fast absorbing, so मेरे को तो बहुत ज़्यादा सूट होगा as I have oily skin. The product is 30 gram. If you buy it separately, you will get it for 150 rupees. So ये मुझे 2 products, और ये face wash और ये moisturizer मुझे free मिला है, ठीक है? And also one more thing I got free. That was not showing on the website, but I got it in the box. It is the sanitizer. Hand sanitizer. It smells really good, so I'm not going to review this or talk about it. Anyways, these are the 4 products that I got. So my main purchase was this skin radiant cream for pigmentation and stuff, and the pore tightening toner. Yeah, I got this too, and उसके साथ मुझे ये 2 free मिला. So altogether I have 4 products. So that's all. That is like the haul. I got all this product. It's been 2 days I have used this product, and I will not talk much about it because I will use it for at least 2 weeks now. तो proper बैठ के मैं आपको उनका डिटेल में next week में वीडियो बना के आपको दूंगी. So yeah, these are all the products. I hope that you enjoyed it. I will link exactly the product that I purchased and the website, and also the coupon code that I used. अगर वो चल रहा रहेगा तो आपको 20% off भी मिलेगा. So just try it if you want, or if you want to wait and see how it works for me and आपको बाद में purchase करना रहेगा, it's still okay. Anyways, I hope that you like my video. Make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell icon, do all of those. That will mean a lot to me. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care.